Ready to take your supplement sales global? Expanding internationally sounds exciting until your payment processor starts flagging foreign orders or freezing funds for restricted regions. It happens more often than you'd think in the nutraceutical space. Here's a quick manual way to see which payment processors actually support international supplement sales. You'll usually find comparison lists or short articles mentioning processors that specialize in high risk or nutraceutical merchants. These keywords help you spot which providers genuinely handle cross border payments, not just local ones. This quick search gives you a sense of who truly supports global supplement transactions before you apply. But if you want a processor that's already built for that level of international support without the guesswork, that's where EasyPay Direct helps. They work directly with banks experienced in high risk verticals like supplements. So your international transactions are processed by partners who actually understand your business. This helps prevent random plugs or account shutdowns when you start selling overseas. And here's a relevant note from their FAQ section. A nutraceutical merchant account is built for supplement and vitamin sellers to process payments securely. That foundation is what makes global expansion smoother and more reliable. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check how their high risk banking network supports global supplement sales and see if it is a fit for your business. Going international shouldn't mean constant payment flogs. With EasyPay Direct, your global expansion stays stable, compliant, and fully supported. You will find the sign up link right there in the description when you are ready.